Hello guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and today I'm going to show you how to use Zapier with Facebook. Okay, so now let's go to our trigger, which is Facebook Messenger, and let's click continue and choose your account. So now our trigger will be when there will be a new message in our Facebook page. We will test our action. So now let's type some message. Let's give it my email. Test trigger. Yep, it is working. Click continue, and then you can send an outbound email when a message is sent to our Facebook page. So the message will be the email, and let's type some subject. Thanks for reaching out. So pretty much that's all. Let's continue and then now test our action. I'll just open my email. Okay, our Zap has been created. I think it's in my spam folder. Let's check it. Let's go to spam. Yes, as you can see, it's there. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.